Is it challenging to master the techniques of forehand and backhand strokes? 1. Forehand drive. 2. Forehand lift with extended arm. 3. Backhand lift and counterattack. 4. Backhand counter slice. 5. Backhand counter loop. 6. Backhand side spin. 7. Backhand side spin counter loop. 8. Backhand flick. 9. Backhand high toss. 10. Backhand lift. 11. Backhand swing weight. 12. Backhand side twist. 13. Backhand attack. 14. Backhand defense. 15. Backhand chop long. Straighten the last 3 fingers to enhance the aggressiveness of your forehand. Bend the last 3 fingers halfway to improve wrist flexibility. Curve all 3 fingers for smoother transitions when toppling over. Use the thumb to press against the palm for a more stable forehand. Utilize the index finger to press on the palm for better quality cross-court shots. A more relaxed grip leads to a more agile inward lift. Grip the racket wide for improved coverage on distant lifts. Move forward from mid to far distance. Loop at mid-table. Advance from mid-table. Quick flick near the table. Drive with underspin. Top spin with high arc. Forehand defense. Forehand attack. Hit at a medium height. Forehand flick. Forehand loop. Forehand counter loop. Forehand short push. Forehand slide. Forehand long chop. When the opponent hits a counterclockwise topspin to your left, position your racket for a backhand shot and flick downwards to the left. When the opponent hits a hook shot with underspin, if you block, the ball will go into the net. Keep your racket slightly flat, counter the spin by applying topspin. Brush the ball halfway up. If you can't handle the short ball, then add a topspin. Can't control the short ball, play a fast and deep shot to avoid errors. If you're struggling with the long ball, then push it out. Don't rush for the long ball. You can add a topspin after pulling the ball. Always facing a left spin, then use a forehand. Always facing a right spin, then use a backhand. Always facing a right spin, then use a backhand. Opponent serves anti-clockwise side spin ball with left side up. Facing backhand, counteract the spin by rubbing the ball. Opponent serves left side spin ball with the right side up. Wrist facing inwards, facing forehand, counteract the spin by rubbing the ball. Opponent serves under spin ball that slightly drops at the net. Slightly flatten the racket, counteract the spin by rubbing the ball. When the opponent serves with left side spin and the ball moves to the right, position the racket towards the opponent and perform a block to counter the spin. When the opponent serves with backspin and the ball moves to the left, position the racket towards the opponent's backhand and execute a block to neutralize the spin. When the opponent serves with underspin, execute a block to neutralize the spin. Opponent serves left side spin, ball flies to the right. Racket held up, facing forehand position, move forward to counteract the spin. Opponent serves backspin, ball flies to the left. Racket held up, facing backhand position, wrist forward to counteract the spin. Opponent serves underspin, ball might go into the net. Racket slightly flattens, moves down and forward to counteract the spin. Position the racket under the table. Perform a casual backspin topspin. Place the racket above the head. Execute casual smashes on high balls. Shift the racket towards the body. Perform a powerful backhand stroke. Stretch the racket outward. Smash for a more aggressive attack. Keep the racket flat. Generate more spin with underspin on the ball. Quickly bring back the forearm. Drive at lightning speed. Use a three-word mantra to attack long balls. Stay forward. Maintain stability. Avoid gripping the racket too tightly. Focus on winning. Quickly generate spin downwards. Keep hand position low. His serve is quick. I utilize his power to my advantage. His serve is slow-paced. I apply force. He plays with the racket. Seize the chance.